Hi guys, welcome to me, Char. So this is Chris, your 25 years old virtual assistant from Palawan. So guys, I want to share how much I'm earning as a virtual assistant. So isa lang guys yung client ko and I have 5 days in a week and also 8 hours in a day. Yun lang yung workloads ko. So guys, this is what I'm earn nung this is March, April, and May and June. So makikita nyo yung dates, July 2 siya, June 3, and May 1. Kasi yung sweldo namin, isang beses lang namin siya nakukuha every end of the month. Pero dahil nga 31st yung submission ng aming invoices dun sa company. So dumadating siya June 1 na or June 2 or June 3 yung pinakamatagal. Or I mean, like day 1, day 2, day 3 nung month kung namin siya nakukuha. So yun lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-hassle or hindi naman siya ganun katagal. And sobrang ganda nung company kasi maliban sa may ganito kaming earnings, paid yung overtime namin anytime na may dinideclare kaming overtime, for sure paid yon. Wala kaming time tracker, so napaka ganda ng oras na meron kami. Ako yung time working hours ko is 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. but I can do 2 p.m. tapos hanggang 10 p.m. lang. Pero ginagawa ko taga siya 4 p.m. kasi medyo less na yung work ko ng 4 p.m. kasi may iba pa akong work. So, yon. Tapos, so isa ko ng work guys, physical yun. And I want to do it kasi it's another industry. So gusto ko marami ako na-experience. It's for my skills as well. I wanna widen. Gusto ko mapalawak yung kaalaman ko for different other things. So, kaya niya, huwag na kayong makialam. Tapos, yun nga, 8 hours lang siya, tapos minsan yun nga nawawala ako. Kunyari, nag-work ako ng 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. Tapos kailangan kong umalis ng 5 to 6 or 4 to 5 anytime. Mawawala man ako, kailangan ko lang siyang make-upan. So like mag-extend ako ng 1 until 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. Well, natutulog ako guys 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. So kita nyo naman yung eye bags ko. Pero tulog naman ako until 12 noon. So okay lang yan. Basta nasusulit ko yung 8 hours na sleep ko, maganda na siya kasi hindi rin ako napapagod, and that's important for me. Kasi mababait yung nasa environment ng company. We are 15 Filipino virtual assistant na nandoon, and ang babait ng mga kasama ko. That's why gusto ko rin magtrabaho at hindi siya nakaka-burnout. Minsan, pag online ka guys, may experience ako na nag-online na ako, sinabihan ako ng manager, hindi naman na siya nagalit. Sabi niya lang, oh, bakit online ka? I-off mo yung, yung status mo, like, i-off mo yung active status mo. Sabi niya na ganon. So, in-off ko yung status. Sabi niya, it's for you kasi ayaw naming nabe-burn out yung mga employee, ganon kabait yung employer namin. So, sobrang nagbibigay sila ng importante or halaga doon sa mga virtual assistant. And by the way guys, again, I'm so lucky and blessed to have this company. Kaya hindi na rin ako naghanap ng iba pang virtual assistant client kasi I wanna focus with this one. I don't wanna lose any opportunity kasi yung ibang virtual assistant nandoon, 2 years na sila hanggang nag-grow na yung company. So, parang yun din yung gusto ko, parang kung pwedeng isa lang kasi okay naman na to. Tapos may physical job pa ako, 'di ba? So wala naman na akong iba pang hahanapin. Nakuha ko na lahat, pati boyfriend. Ay, char! So by the way guys, if you have questions about virtual assistant, just drop in the comment section and I will answer it for you and give you some tips as well, but in the next video maybe. But again, just drop it if you have any questions para masagot ko directly. See ya! Good luck! Bye!